So in this Ndax video, I will be showing you how to deposit cash into your account here on Ndax. So once you guys open up Ndax, what I want you to do is to go to the very bottom and select the option in the middle, the circle that is sort of the purple color, and then where it says add funds, deposit cash or crypto into your account, we're going to go ahead and select that option. So once you're here, if you want to deposit cash, you have two different options right here. You have the United States dollar, you also have the Canadian dollar. So if I were to go ahead and press on Canadian dollars right here, a couple different ways you can deposit cash. You can do it through e-transfer or wire transfer. If you wanted to do US cash, for example, you can go ahead and press on United States dollar. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you're going to go ahead and actually have to wire transfer it. So once again, if you were to go back to the previous page, under Canadian dollars right here, you can do that for e-transfer, or you can do a wire transfer, and the wire transfer actually applies to US dollars and Canadian dollars in order to add cash to your account. So for example, if I were to press Interac e-transfer here, it'll then bring me to this page where I can copy the following information and actually go ahead and deposit cash from a bank account into your Ndax account this way. So that is how to deposit cash into your account on Ndax. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.